So I think we're almost at the end here.
Yep.
Shall we?
Let's have a good look.
There we go.
Look at that.
Look at this.
All right. So I think.
So this is a McLaren Senna.
All right. Look at this as we
very
do
special color.
as we do the rotation.
You can see the color is shifting. So this is a 1/18 scale model from BBR. Very, very limited edition in this special color. We presented the gold version a few weeks back, and it's exactly the same model, but it looks totally different in this color.
It does. I mean, it's amazing how colors can make a car look so different. You know,
Yeah.
a dark color on certain shapes, and I think this particular shape works well with dark color
I agree.
because it is such a complex design.
Yeah.
And sometimes the dark color just subdues it a bit, I think.
I agree. And it's got this kind of purple, blue, gold, and
Yes.
the yellow brake calipers looks
Yeah, that's a really nice contrast, isn't it?
quite nice.
Just go bing.
And then the transparent kind of door again
Yep.
adds to the kind of futuristic type of view of this car.
That's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Because then you can see the tortoise that you're racing against.
Yeah.
You'll be on the road, moving really slowly.
Exactly. And then all the carbon inserts, we saw them on the other car a few weeks back from the Fiber term. It's much better quality now. You can see such a nice level of detail of the carbon. This is all carbon, very matte finish. Well, it's a kind of a matte finish, but
Yeah.
not quite. Yeah.
And the pattern's really good too, because
Yeah.
just like on the real car, they've got how the weaver's meshed in
Yes.
the direct center there.
So this has got all this kind of
Why do I see it in that reflection there?
yeah, really, really well made. The side mirrors are carbon cover too.
Yep.
Obviously front wing. Well, it's a kind of spoiler or the they call the
Is that the front apron?
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
You can see the radiator just in there.
Yeah.
From that bonnet. And there's a lot of glass on this, so there's actually it's clear,
Yeah.
and then you got your
Side.
side as well. Okay, so the lower part is the part that goes up and down, and then you've got that clear part on the side here when you're looking on the road.
And there's always spectacular interiors of this car.
It's really interesting to see the color just change.
So from here, I can see gold on this side. If you look at the screen, it's actually blue and purple. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, I'm seeing copper now from my angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, BBR, I mean, they never make a bad one, do they?
And I would suggest the quality and the level of finishing is actually improving
Yes.
as the manufacturing, different technology, it's improving as well. So
And these are all limited editions, so they've got a little plaque here.
Yeah.
This particular one is number 008 of 140.